definitely something wrong with my streaming software. It freezes up my entire computer, which is no fun. But anyway, we're gonna have Apple earnings tomorrow, I believe. So it's gonna be an interesting day. The market's about to open. Actually, the equity market's just opened. So why don't we watch the price action? I'm gonna try to keep the trades under 5 and be really conservative for the most part. Ooh, that was a good touch of 48s up there. Let's see if it decides a direction here in the first 5 minutes. Looks like it touched both sides of the Bolly bands already. Yeah, it makes sense that it would keep coming down. There's a bit of a floor here, a little bit of support here at 35s. I think we should be long. Anything over this 40-70 level should be long, or 40-30, around here. So let's think. The 35s is a good spot to be long. Let's see. It's kind of shown some support at 50. This is a really dangerous trade. Yeah, see it. Ugh. Got in at the top of the range. I guess I'll hold it over 30. So far it's pretty sideways. Kind of a pinner bar. Should probably be stopping out here soon. Guess I'll get out under 25. Really wide stop. Terrible way to start the day. This is a pretty deep bounce, if it was even a bounce. So far it seems like the trend is down. So we're probably going to get stopped out for 60-some dollars here. We were instantly wrong, and we got in a pretty bad spot. So if this is going to be a hold, it's probably going to be closer to 15 minutes. Okay. Wow, we're actually about to be in the money. Just going to have a 10-point stop. I'm not trying to mess with it too much. Actually came back to exactly my entry, or very close to, a few ticks away. I really like shorting under 40s. Let's see if we can get it. 10-point stop, so like over 40s. Should probably only be concentrating on longs, to be honest. Gotta practice longer hold times. Let's see. We'll have their stop over 37s. The stop is actually in a good place. Okay, 25 is kind of acting as resistance. It's nice. Stopped out there for a small winner. Probably could have let it go. Keep going. The 5 is just really oversold. And the 15, I guess the 15's not. Could have definitely held it. That's okay. Let's look to reload here. Oh, that under 25 was a great reload spot. Trying to have less trades. So the target was, man, I didn't even hold for 10 points there. Now we're about 20 points in the money, 30 points in the money. 15s, that's a great spot to be short. Let's put it up to 17 and a half. Man, it is so dicey around here. I'm being pretty impatient though. Like it's probably gonna blast through. Just need to be patient, right? 15s, okay, we'll have the same stop. 16-ish. See if this medium is gonna hold. Or the mean, I guess. The EMA. Ugh. Alright, I'm just gonna get out. Because that was like a perfect touch of a 1. Okay. Trailing entry. Should be getting into longs, not shorts, honestly. Oh, see, that was a stop over 18s. I'm not liking this either. Crawling up. Pretty bad trading right now. I think that was 5 trades. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I mean, I just kind of did back-to-back losers there. That should be it for the day, honestly. I really just want to have one solid trade in that's like a good, decent hold. Let's try this long. We're at the top of the Bolly bands, but we should be taking longs up here. And by up here, I mean like, you know, over the 12-1 area. Just put the stop under 15s. Keep it real tight. Stopped out. Let me get in again. Stop was just a little too tight, I guess. Still waiting for the RSI to peak. But this is such a bad place to be getting in, you know? One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 trades. Probably close to 70 down. Yeah, 60 down. So one good trade could make back the day. That was almost a 5 touch there. That was a good entry. Let's hold it over 15s. Really just trying to get one of these trends upward. There we go. Might be catching one here. Just got stopped out again for $7. We went to 33 up there. Okay. Could try buy over 20 here. Yeah, let's try holding it over 20s here. Just need to give it some room to breathe, to live, to die. Let's have a stop at 24s. break even stop. So far, not much action, you know. Looks like we're gonna get stopped out again. Yeah. Oops. I was like instantly going out of the money. A lot of small, short trades today. I think I'm at 10 trades and down 70. 63 still. A little too P&L focused, honestly. Let's get long again over 25s. So the first long we got in was down here. So honestly, we just needed to be patient and keep getting shook out. That's because these entries are not that great. And the rule is after 5 trades, I should be looking for really, really tight entries. Like just solid entries. Or more ideal trades. And this isn't really ideal. This is less than ideal, to be honest. And I should really slow my roll when I'm over 5 trades as well. That is, look to hold longer. So we had a 5-minute bounce basically off 101s, which is a great spot for a bounce. Let's just hold for 60s, which is about 30 points. We're going to at least try to go for 49s. It definitely is not a good entry to be holding for such a long take profit though. Yeah, I think it got to be done for the day. 80 is a little much. 80 down is a little much. But where I just got out, that was a good that was a good entry. Let's try that. Let's try playing over that. Once again though, not a good entry. I think I'm going to violate one more rule and add down here at the lower Bolly bands. And the goal is still 60s. Really got to train myself to get in at better prices. Because like getting long here means I just have to take a lot of heat. I already got out for one with, you know, at 19s, which was the low basically. So let's just give this more room. No real clear direction yet. And the previous bar has been green. We're about halfway through this bar. Yeah, the question is, we're going to see it continue upward here. We want to see these 5-minute bars keep filing in. So we had a stop hunt with the first 5-minute bar, and we're looking for 150. So that's only 30 points. It's not really that far. Should be perfectly doable. It is showing some support. A little bit of downward divergence, bearish divergence, just a little. When it's close to the entry, there's no point in, there's actually never a point in worrying. Really, we're looking for a push to 150, and so far, it's not happening. 1 minute left in this 5-minute bar. Really need this bar to be green. Entry, or kind of open to 25, so. Alright, this is where I'm going to add. Let's see if we hold over 15s. Really violating rules today. Ooh, that should be a stop. This is a really tight range, you know? And honestly, I should be buying down into 85s. I think that's a decent idea. So I'm actually going to buy again. And I'm going to keep buying into 85s. Typically, these bounces sustain for a while. I mean, it did go up over 100 points. Roughly 100 points. Took a lot of work. But I'm still confident that we're going to get up there. Just because these 85 bounces, man, they are super sustained, pretty bullish. And to get down to 100s is a pretty good spot. I'll have my stop. Let's see, if I'm going to stop for 15, 25 points with 2 lots. Yeah, if it comes down to 85, I'm going to add. And I'm going to have my stop under 50. So this is a really wide stop. And I know I'm violating a lot of rules. Honestly, the 85 level is sufficient to know. Really looking for it to get up back up to 150s. It's starting to look like it's curling downward here, but I'm still quite bullish of this 85 level down here. So this was the low of the day today, this morning? No. Yesterday. Not really the low, but important level for sure. I'm just going to hold this for longer. I think we're down 100 now. 123. So to be green on the day, we got to get up to yeah, like 150. So 150 is up here. I'm going to go ahead and put my stop in. That was a high of what, 30? Let's just let this play out for us. We're not in a rush. Do need to practice like taking one off and putting one back on, you know. So I honestly think it wouldn't be crazy to see new highs, but this is fine for now. It's about half the day here. Still trending up though. Did we have divergence here on the 5? Not really. How about divergence on the 1? Yeah, no, not really. Back out of the money. 1 minute and 30 seconds left in this bar. So that's about half the day that it went up there for. Yeah, I'll have the stop under 85. So far we had the chance to get out for roughly half the day, like having the loss on the day, that is. But with our risk of, see, we're risking like 25 points with 2 contracts, so I mean that's not even a 1-to-1 risk reward to get out at 33s. Still confident of the 85 bounce holding for multiple days. So we'll hold this for probably 30 minutes even. Basically wanting some of these, look at this 5-minute bar, nice and solid so far. If it makes new highs, that would be great. We've got 10 seconds left in this bar. Pretty solid bar to be putting in right here. Boom, new bar. Green bar, engulfing bar, as you can see here. So likely won't clock in a low under 110. Let's see. Now if we go up, how high are we going up is the question. 300 possibly. Yeah. Do we have any divergence here? We do. Divergence on the hourly so far, very slight. The price is just a little bit higher. Likely is not going to go up higher, honestly. That's the hourly though. What about the 15? The 15 is just bouncing off the lower RSI. So, yeah. Getting up into this low volume or high volume node. This is kind of the tippity top. Got out of one here. For 40, 50 bucks for one. I mean, that's, oh, 31. What? Okay, well this trailing one we gotta hold for new highs at least. I'm gonna try to hold this for 199, honestly. Or like 184. Get out at 36 there. What made me get out? I think what made me get out was, yeah, just a little bit of greed. Still gonna hold for new highs. Yeah, see, getting out at 31s was silly. Or 36s. So that was barely 16 points. Not even that much. But it did put a dent in the day. A loss on the day. It does look like we might be getting rejected. We're only halfway through the 5-minute bar though. Would be nice to add if we get down to these lower volley bands. Oh, we also have a report coming out in like 6 minutes. So far I have no reason to get out. Still looks like we'll hit highs and go over them. It's good to be on the right side of the trade, and then you really just don't have to do anything, you know? So this would have been my first exit right here, which would have been double what I got out for. I mean, yeah, almost double. Bounce down from 50s. 69s is pretty close. So this report's going to come out in 5 minutes. I probably want to have a break-even stop or like a 20-point stop or something. Yeah. Good stuff on the 5. Let's see if we can get a couple more full bodies here. Hitting some low volume nodes. So where's the next one after this? Actually, it's probably just because this doesn't go back very far or something. Let's see. It doesn't even let me configure it. Weak. $75, $76. Still no reason to get out. Getting a really nice push here. 5 isn't even peaking yet, so we would at least want the 5 RSI to be over 70 before we get out of this last one. With any luck, we'll bounce here, 45 area, 50 area. And target, yeah, of, what am I, 184 or something like that? Yeah. So far it looks pretty good. This showed some bullish divergence, similar to what it did before. So it came lower. Price was lower and RSI was lower though, so I guess not. $70. 47s, huh? Could come down to 30s, to be honest. I'm just gonna put a stop in here. Under the EMA, I guess. In the 60s. That's fine. 2 decent winners. We might get in if we get a lower push here. We just opened a new bar? No, we're still in the same bar. Got in kind of on a pullback. I wonder if it's gonna keep going here. Playing this with a 10-point stop. So why didn't I hold that? I'm not really sure. This is not a good entry. I'm gonna have this really tight because it's a chase trade, you know. Just gonna get out. $5 loser. So this bar is still looking like it's green. Honestly, I should have just waited for the first red bar. You know? Still got a minute left here. If we wait for the first red bar, 47s is the low. Really want to be getting in down here though. I'm not getting out. So let's see. See how low this will push before it bounces. $45s. Oh, report's about to come out. I think we're gonna get in here for a long. Let's do it. Basically playing on the assumption that the report is going to be good. We'll have the stop kind of wide under 30s. Might as well make it under 25. Oh, fuck. Okay, a bit of a dipperino there. Report came out. Oh, fucking balls. It's already through my stop. Jesus. Guess we gotta try for a wider stop. Should slow down here in a minute. Damn, my stop was just a little too tight. So I got in 2 here. Let's see what that report was. I mean, I don't think it was too bad because we're starting to trend up a little. Kind of a dump on the 5 though, isn't it? Let's see if it recovers. Let's try to wait 5 minutes at least. I think these reports might have been bad. I'm going to check them really quick on my other screen. I know it's kind of silly to be switching screens like this. Did pretty much go sideways though, a little dip. What do we see? Ah, hasn't printed on briefing yet. Still hasn't printed. ISM manufacturing index is what I'm guessing is causing most of this movement. Another report coming out in 30 minutes. JOLTS job openings. Job openings went up. That's nice. There was no forecast, but the prior was 10 million, 10.4 million. The actual was 11.01 million. We should see some upward momentum, I think. That's pretty good. Let's see if we can get up to 180s like we want. What did we get up to just now? That was 51s. What was this loss? 47. Looking for some continuation to the upside, you know? Nice. This bar's about to turn green. Kind of want to get out of one here, but it's pretty early. Yeah, 17s, 10s, around there. It's a good push. Good push. I really would like it to start crawling into that new high territory. I don't think 180 is that unheard of. Oh my gosh. It's definitely painting a bull flag here on the range bars. Breaking down. I mean, this looks like a bull flag. And you should be like, pew, upwards. Ooh, so far that's not happening. A little 2 minutes left in this bar. Big downward bar though. RSI is really oversold. Whoa. Mamma mia. What was that, a touch of 5s? A touch of 7s? I'm actually going to add down here if we get under 100s. Guess I could add here. Alright, added a little bit. This is such a big trade. But the play is for new highs, and you know, I'm not looking at all the data, unfortunately, which is kind of dumb. Let me refresh my briefing screen. Construction spending was down quite a bit. Forecast was a growth of nothing, or 0.1 for construction spending. The prior growth was 0.5. The actual construction spending went down by 0.4. So construction spending has a low impact according to briefing. ISM manufacturing index came down a little bit, about 1%. Not a huge thing. I don't know why the trading impact of the job openings is so low. Well, I mean, it's medium trading impact. But I am being a little biased here. All things considered, I guess these reports that just came out are kind of bearish. So I might get super burned here. That 5-minute bar closed pretty red. Might see a few more. Still want to hold over 85s, you know? 85s to 85s. So I'm in 3, which is kind of a lot. Basically looking for a recovery of all of this. I think this was unfounded. We did put in a higher low, which is kind of cool compared to 5 minutes off the open. So, yeah, not too bad. What's our P&L look like? 92. I'm actually going to do the unthinkable. Oh, fuck. Supposed to do something tomorrow. Top of the ball, I'd be on touch. I'm actually going to do the unthinkable. I'm going to go to the bathroom while this trade is on, which is quite dumb. Let me just put my stops in. Put them up at new highs. One I'll put in at, I guess 50. All right, I will be back. Okay. Oh, screensaver turned on. Oh, shoot. Alright. Came down to 110s. So far, pretty boring. Looks like we're putting in a double bottom, though. Hmm. Yeah, okay. Oh, we got out of one? Nice. It was only 30 bucks? 40 bucks. Y'all ready for this? God, this price action is boring. Oh. You all ready for this? You all ready for this? I don't know why that's stuck in my head. Probably should have gotten out of both there. Still showing support here. A lot of pinners down here at the 110 area. So if anything, I'm going to add down there. I'm still bullish for the next couple hours. Oh, I was playing a chess game and this guy just left the game. No reason for me to get out of my entry or anything like that. I know it went in the money quite a bit, but it went in the money quite a bit. I got out for 1 for 40. Could have gotten out for all three for 120, I guess, which would have put me in the green, right? Yeah. But we're going for bigger fish. Going for bigger fish. I'm gonna have to switch my streaming software. The stuff I have is just causing my computer to just freeze. It's terrible. Barely a touch of 25s there. Not even. 26. So 100 bucks would be 50 points, right? So we're in for 25s, roughly. So we need to get up to 75s. Good 5-minute bars we're painting here. Seems solid, all these pinners. Downward pinners. So many spam calls, it's ridiculous. Every day with the spam calls. What are we waiting for? We're waiting for 80s. That's what we're waiting for. Definitely tightening here, isn't it? Not too many pins on the top, bigger pins on the bottom. So still bullish. Really want to see this RSI get over 70, and then I'll start thinking about getting out. We had it under 30. Now we need to see it go over 70. It tends to oscillate between the two, see? It just takes like hours and hours and hours. So I think I might just leave this trade on. I don't know if I'm going to stream the whole thing. Although, I mean, a little bit higher and I'd be green on the day. And I'd be green on the day right now. Question is, should I exit for a green day or should I exit for something higher? Risk it, you know, for something higher. I don't know why, but that made me nervous to know that my day is almost green, or it is green if I exit right here. And that makes me want to exit more, like, you know, exit faster or whatever. Yeah, it really looks like we might have a downward push here. A flush, if you will. Lower Bollies at 30. So we had a bull flag on the range bars, failure of the bull flag, and then a bottom, double bottom, and then a retrace. I feel like I should learn more patterns. Yeah, look at this. This 5-minute bar is about halfway over. This could be a bounce off 30s. I mean, I'm anticipating a bounce down here. If I were to pick more up, it would be like, yeah, in the 20 area. Definitely was a good feeling, you know, up here to get out and be green on the day. I probably would have entered another trade. Look at the RSI bottoming out down here. Bottoming out at 18s, which is probably where I want to buy, honestly. I'm going to see if we can get down to 15s. I'll pick one up. Man, this price action is so boring. We got another report coming out here in 7 minutes. Whoa. Just got some music here in the background. Usually don't play because I don't want to get a copyright strike or whatever. Trying to organize some bookmarks because I'm so friggin' bored. Trading is boring. Good recovery. Bounced exactly where I thought it would. I didn't add though. Well, I told myself I would add if we get down to 115s. Just didn't get down there. Honestly, not a bad idea to exit here for some. Under 40s or something. Looks like it's respecting 40s. Yeah, I'm only gonna... Let's see. So boring. 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 Just gonna watch this boring price action. I'm actually doing something on another screen. Pretty confident in the bullish play right now, honestly. Pretty confident. So if you see my mouse moving, I'm clicking on a different window, you just can't see it. Why do I talk like that? Check the price action. What's it looking like? Oh, same. No changes. Okay. Doing stuff on other screens, being a very boring person. Okay. La 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 la. La 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 la. Definitely trending down. Looks like this might go deep, but so far it's been supported. Report in 2 minutes. I'm gonna get up and stand up and stretch. It's kind of tightening into this report. What is the report that's about to come out? Crude oil inventory. Oh shit. That is a big one. FOMC rate decision is at 2 today, Eastern. So the report that's about to come out is EIA crude inventory. Shoot. Okay, the prior was actually really low. Something tells me it's going to be crap, but we'll see. Oh, it looks like it would have just come out. Kind of just want to close for the day and just be green, get on with my day. You know? And you got a one left. What was that one for? $11. What? We're still getting our push up. Really just waiting for it to blow off on the 5. And that's taking forever. Man, that was a $12 exit. Ridiculous. Well, now we have a great price. That's nice. It's really just going off the last contract. Let's see if it'll respect 40s. So far, so good. And that report didn't really do much, unless I timed it wrong. Looks like it's respecting 50s. Kind of a fight between 50s and 40s right now, right? Good pull back down to 40 though. So far so good. Come on, little guy. You can do it. You can do it. Come on. Oh, so boring. I'm so bored. I'm gonna get out of 43s. I'm done with this. I'm too bored. Too bored. I mean, I could just let this one stay on for like a long time, right? And just have like a break-even stop and risk having a $42 red day. It is trending up now. Could just be peaking again though. Yeah, we're seeing some divergence on the range bars. I don't know. Kind of bouncing here, honestly. Let's wait to see if this tops out over 70s. Alright, I'll give it another 15 minutes. Looking good on the 15. Yeah. Take profits up at 84. Quite a ways. We're kind of holding over 50s though. Nice. Good stuff. No reports coming out anytime soon. FOMC stuff coming out in a little bit. God, I really just want to get out and move on with my day. But the point of this is to leave one piece on and just let it trail deep in the money. That's what we're trying to do. We want this to trail deep in the money so we have some experience and some screen time holding something deep in the money. So we'll get out of this, yeah, at 84s. Which should be over 50 points. Be over $100. It'll be a solid green day if we do that. Actually, it'll only be, yeah, like a $50 green day. God, look at the lower Bolly band. It's all the way down to 25. which you could easily do. $42 red, right? That's what we're currently at. I mean, it did respect 40s earlier. I bet it won't now, but let's see. Yeah, I'm just gonna get out of that guy. Let's see if it respects 40s again. Nope. No respect for the 40s. And the shorties. Actually, yes, there is respect for the 40s. Look at that. Big bounce. Was that 39s? Yeah. Sold over 39s. This is a scalp. We're going for 10 points. Oh my god, this price action is so freaking boring. I just so want the market to do something and it's just chilling. Ugh. So boring. Okay, another 40 touch. Alright. I'm just going to stop us out. Wonderful. I think we're barely red now. Yeah. Let's see if we got a lower Bolly band touch. That would be pretty cool. Ah, man, I really just want to be done for the day. Let's get this lower Bolly band touch so I can get in. $35. So slow. Oh my god. Still anticipating a push up, honestly. Guess it was a good call to get out. Should have flipped up there. That was a low Bolly band bounce. Down to 30s. Alright, let's see if we get the RSI under 30 and then we'll think about getting in. 33s. I don't know. Okay, let's go ahead and get in. We'll scale in if it goes down. Definitely like this really nice uptrend. Boom, 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 boom. Continuing from earlier. Boom, 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 boom. Let's see where we are on this. Yeah, slightly higher would be nice. Let's see what these headlines are. Private sector growth slows. Italy inflates. Oh, eases. Spain manufacturing contraction softens. Headlines are mixed. Taiwan industrial protection falls. Retail sales growth. U.S. private sector employment increases. Less than expected. Eurozone inflation slows. Wall Street might open in negative territory. So far it has not. So yeah, getting out here was a silly entrance, first of all. Silly entrance. We're still wanting to get 85. Bounced off 50s. I'm just like looking at memes now. So we might retest a lot lower here. That 110 area again. I'm kind of curious what SPX is at. Let me just take a quick look. Checking out another screen. I also want to check the old cryptos. Yeah, kind of sideways and down a bit. Let's see, SPX needs to test 30 points lower is what a buddy of mine's saying here. I guess he's right. Yeah, 40, 30. Yeah. Yeah, it does look overbought. Ooh, I got some good indicators. Buy, sell, huh, buy, sell, buy, that would have been a loss, sell, okay. Oh, I missed a good entry there. So I think we come down, we mess around down here under 80, under the hundreds, and then we bust back up like we're LAPD. Target of 12. Well, 4050 is definitely already broken, right? Oh no, I guess not. Do I want to add? I think we want to wait for lower. Kind of a break of trend. Pretty significant break of trend. That was the retest. Oh man, this might be going pretty low. This might be coming down to 85s. Oh. Oh my god, guys. This is like terrible entertainment. Extremely boring, but it's good because, trading can be boring. Trading's not supposed to be exciting. saw the dip coming, but didn't get on the right side. So that was very silly of me. Luckily, we're only in one, which is good. Look at the hourly. Oh my god. Oh my goodness. Total break. I mean, this is what you would expect, I guess. It was hard to tell. There's just a much larger downtrend in play. Do I dare to add here, or should we wait for lower? Let's wait for lower. We're gonna play over the 1250 level. It's kind of dumb to do this though. VIX showing some legs. Where's the VIX? I mean, a little. Still got a ways to go. Doubt we'll see new highs on the VIX. Definitely possible. I mean, we did make a higher. Nah, we made a lower low. Just barely. Let's see. Let's see. Just looking at charts on this other screen. Guys, this is really boring. I don't know what to say, but watching me trade today. Just a boring day. Man, really should have considered getting on the short side up here. Basically was wrong about this whole thing called price action. This would be the place to get long. Except we don't see any divergence yet. I guess slight divergence? Not really. Need to see lower price and higher RSI, at least on the range bars. Back up to O's. 89s is what we got down to. Yeah, what I'm thinking is we're going to paint a divergence here. Let's see. Flipping would have definitely been the move, obviously. Hindsight's 2020. I think I'll stop streaming for today, because this is just like so boring. Fed minutes are in the afternoon, so our FOMC decision on rates, that's something to watch. And I don't think there was any good. I don't think there was any huge earnings today. Let's just take a look. Actually, Meta after hours, NVO, whatever that is, TMO, NVS, so Thermo Fisher, Novartis. What is Novartis? Huh. I don't really even know what this company does. Anyway, yeah, some earnings today. Ooh, that was it. Alright, I'm just going to add here. That was lower with the higher RSI, so that's an indication. Alright guys, I will cut the stream. I will share the results on Trader Grow and on the description of this video when I'm done. Until then, I'll probably just see you guys tomorrow. Yeah, have a good rest of your day, and hopefully you made some money today. I mean, I did okay. I kind of made everything back, but I'm kind of ready to put myself back in the hole if I close this. So what I really want to do is get a little extension to the upside to my target, and my thinking is this is a dip over 1250s. So we'll see if that plays out. Anyway, have a good day, everyone. I will see you